This Harlingen Homes property video is presented by Deborah Layton. 1. Property is an incomplete subdivision. However, the City of Bayview recognizes the subdivision. 2. The City of Bayview will allow and issue permits for building and installing a septic system. Please look in documents for more information. We do not know what the cost will be to bring electricity to the property from Ted Hunt. It may be costly. There are 3 homes on Bayview Palms, but owners are not very cooperative in giving access for electric power from their poles. 3. Bayview Palms Road is a private road and so it's not maintained by the county or the city. These 3 homeowners have been sharing in the cost of road maintenance. It's a very quiet area and would make a great place to build a home.